you have much traffic getting up here this morning? No.
Not really.
I came up 45 and it was disgusting.
We are attempting to retrieve public records at the sheriff office, Harris County Sheriff Office, with Good Citizen News. Yes, sir.
Did somebody contact you saying you can pick up the records?
No.
No.
I'm here to pick up either the record or a written response to why I cannot get the records.
You want a written response?
Either the records or a written response as to my request as to why I cannot get the records. Texas statute says that you have 10 working days to either give me the records or give me a written response why you cannot give me the records. The Public Information Act. May I have those back? Mm-hmm. May I have them back, please? I don't need you to read the rest. You were reading the request. Okay. Not the other. Can I have them back, please? I'm asking for my property back. I'm asking for my property back. Sir, that's my property. Okay. So we'll see. Now they're calling somebody.
How hard is it to respond to a public records request?
Am I waiting for someone or are you waiting for someone?
Yes, I explained to you. Someone is going to talk to you.
All right, good. Thank you.
She has an issue with us recording her.
Hmm?
She has an issue. Oh my god.
She doesn't want to be recorded. I hadn't even seen her.
We're just documenting that y'all are violating state law. You don't need an ID to get a public records request. You can, yeah, he's got.
I did. Yes.
You're at work, don't worry.
I'm sorry? Yes, it says the name at the bottom, Deputy S. William. There is a badge number as well. It was 15 days ago, or more actually. It was 21 days ago. What? Yes, ma'am. And the deputy kept a copy of each. Well, there are two different requests. That's why I'm holding up two different papers. I'm sorry? Yes, ma'am. How are you?
I'm up.
I need more than two hands. John Doe, Deaux. Here, I'll hold it up again. Deaux. Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
They never cease to surprise me here.
What do you do?
Yeah, they just, I don't want to be recorded.
I can't even see her. I don't want to be recorded.
Don't work for the public. Sounds like a personal problem, doesn't it?
Pretty boy. Good citizen news. Coming as backup.
I'm so glad I brought my phone today because I was just going to phone to go body cam, but oh my god, that's another guy.
I want backup like a little bitch because I'm scared they're gonna arrest me. I mean, not scared, but worried they're gonna arrest me. So I can prepare.
They'll arrest me first. They don't like me here. They respect other people, but not me. Possibly the sheriff's deputy's attorney.
She's an attorney of some kind.
He said specifically this is our attorney.
Well, the sheriff's attorney, probably.
I have no idea.
Okay. All right, well, thank you. Thank you.
She looked elegant. She looked very elegant. The African American lady. Oh, they're talking about me. Hello.
Hi, are you looking for me or legal director?
Mm,
Can you guys talk for me?
We were waiting for public records.
Who?
Public records?
Yes, I'm the legal director. Can you stop recording?
Are you the custodian of the records?
I am the legal director of the legal department. Can you
Okay.
stop recording, please?
I can, yes, but I will not. How can I help you?
Well, we're asking, how can we help you?
Oh, I'm trying to retrieve some public records that I requested 3 weeks ago, but I've received no response on it within the 10 days that the law gives you. Either the records or a written response as to why you cannot give me the records.
So it's not 10 days, can you start?
It's 10 working days. That's why I waited 3 weeks to come here, 15 working days.
Can I see what your request was?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you start recording?
I would rather not. I'm documenting my interactions with the government. These two different requests. If you're a head of the legal department, you understand I have every right to record. Am I correct?
Well,
You can record public officials, that's correct, you are correct in that,
I can record anything I want, really, on public property.
that's correct,
Private individuals, public officials, dogs,
you are correct.
just not naked children. I mean, I can record them, but then it would be a problem, the possession of pornography. Yeah, well,
But, the only thing we're gonna ask is that, you know, if anything that is going to be something that needs to be outside
can we
this
talk
area,
about the
we
records,
would
if you don't
request
mind?
that you not to go, so.
Okay, so that's not really the way it works. Did you check on the status of your request? Did you put in your request through the portal?
No, ma'am, I prefer to do it in person.
When did you came in person and you?
I came in person. At the bottom, you can see. Please don't turn the page. The first page is all you need to see.
Tearing any page?
No, not turn. Sorry, I have an accent. I said turn. Don't turn the page. Don't turn the page, please.
Sir,
The first page is all I want you to see.
how am I gonna help you if I don't see the entire document?
The first page. Okay. That's the
You
entire.
read the page, we didn't.
Yeah,
read the page.
yeah. That's my thing. That's
Well,
not.
we know this,
Yeah.
but what we're asking for is, what are you requesting?
It says on it.
Okay, right. But can I see your sheriff's office number of the requests you made? So here's how it works.
Ma'am, I'll tell you what I did there. So I came here. And I've submitted my public record request in person as the Public Information Act says that I can. This is the name of the deputy that received it. It says the date and time. That's AM. 909 and the other 908 or vice versa. So
Okay,
I did my part. He didn't give me a request number or anything.
okay.
I did it per law, and I would like you to also per law give me a written response.
So on it, so what you're
Or the
requesting,
record.
so I understand, so what I understand is, on this warning ticket that you received, you're from Deputy.
There are two different
Vega.
requests.
I understand. So on this warning ticket, you're requesting footage from the body worn camera, footage from the dash cam video, audit trail for any video footages, audio of the radio calls, right? The police report, which isn't gonna be a police report. 'cause
For
it's
a
war-
warning?
It's a warning ticket.
He drew a weapon. There's not going to be a
And
police
then-
report.
then the
There
supervisor's
should be.
name and
Drawing the
rank.
weapon is a show of force. There should be a report.
The disciplinary records, and then the salary, including, okay, well, that's public record, you can get online.
I don't have internet access, sir. That's why I do it on in
So I'm
person.
not trying to be argumentative, I'm trying to
Okay.
make sure that we understand what you're requesting. We want to help you get
Yeah.
all the information that you're requesting that we can legally give
No,
you.
I was rejecting your comment about I can do it online. I can probably do it online, I don't know. I would like to do it in person though.
No, I understand, but I'm just
Okay.
saying that all this salary stuff is open records online, it's posted
Okay.
online.
Did you write this or didn't?
No, the deputy wrote it.
Okay.
Not him. 3 weeks ago, when I came, you can look at the date.
Okay.
That's when Deputy Williams
Did
did
anybody
it.
from the legal department come down to get your
No,
request?
he just accepted the request, kept a copy, and I
Did
was
you
on my
explain
way.
to him that you were putting in a public information
Of course,
request?
yes.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure
not
he read it,
sure-
and it says right there, public record request.
Yes, So I need to do some research to figure out where your request is at in my department.
Sorry, I would like to go by the law. The law says that whatever you're telling me now, if you can put it in writing. The response should be in writing.
Yes.
I appreciate it.
Okay, so here's how we do public information requests that are received.
Can you do this in writing instead of telling me, please? Please, thank you. I mean, the public information
Right,
Act
right, we're
says,
just trying to
10
provide you an
working days.
explanation of what's gonna be taking place.
I understand
So
that,
I
just
need
the
to take
explanation
this-
in writing, the response to these
Okay,
requests.
So I'm telling you that I need to take this upstairs to figure out.
Can you
where
make a
it's at.
copy maybe? He has a copy machine.
Okay, and it's gonna take a little while for me to figure it out and write a response of where it's at.
Okay, I'll wait.
Okay, am I?
Or you can email it to the email.
Okay, so you
down
do
there.
have access to it?
I use a friend's computer to access email, yes.
That would be better. That would be better. Because it's gonna take more than just, you might be sitting here for a minute.
Just for you to tell me, I mean, whatever you were gonna tell me now, how long was gonna take? A few minutes? So it should take a few minutes to write it down instead of telling me.
Some of this is releasable, some of it may not be under the law, okay?
I'm not gonna wait here for the records, I'm gonna wait here for your written response, which is probably, I need time to do it because I wasn't aware of the request. Whatever you wanna say, just in writing.
That's what I'm trying to tell you.
Because I don't understand why in 3 weeks, I still don't have a response.
Or what is it to tell you?
The only thing I can say is possibly
I'm trying to
this,
understand.
from you getting it to the front desk people, it didn't make it to legal. I apologize.
Okay, then we need to reprimand somebody. Then I'm gonna have to put in a complaint with the gentleman right
Okay,
there.
and you're
And
welcome to
whoever
put
his,
in all your
his
complaints.
supervisor is for not training them properly.
Okay, but so I'll explain to you too, though, is that we want to help you out and we want to
Okay.
provide you what you want. But you
That's
are
why
not
I'm willing
the,
to wait.
you know, you are not
I
the only
understand that.
one that we deal
I
with.
understand, I understand.
We
We're
get
a county of
hundreds of requests a day.
over 4 million people, and
I understand, but
sometimes
if she had
it
time
takes a while.
to tell me why I'm not getting
So,
the records
I'm gonna-
today,
I'm gonna respond
it's gonna
to
take
you
the
by
same
email.
time to write it
That's fine.
down. So it
Okay.
should take a few minutes.
Okay,
No, it's gonna take me longer than just a few minutes, and I'm going to send a response to your,
Okay.
a thorough response to
When
it.
can I expect a response? Maybe by the end of the day?
Uh,
It's early in the morning.
Well, I have quite a few meetings I need to make it to. What time is it?
I know, but it's a few minutes to tell me why you cannot give me the
No,
records
it's
at the
not.
moment.
That's what I'm trying to explain to you. I gotta figure out where your response is. I gotta figure out if we objected to the release of any of these documents
Okay.
under the law.
Okay.
And I wanna write a thorough response.
Very
to
well,
you.
Yeah.
very well.
I will email it to you.
Okay.
Do you want me to make a copy
Let me
of
tell you
this?
though, if there is no police report, it's gonna be a problem because I do have video footage of him drawing
All
his weapon.
complaints you submit to the Office of Attorney General, it will be on there, instructions on how you submit a
Very well.
complaint.
all right, so I'm gonna go make a copy of
Just
this.
no internet stuff, please.
I'm gonna go make a copy of these, okay?
When you tell me the inside, yes, sir. There is a copy machine right here, right? What is it? There is a copy machine right here. He disappeared with my papers back there. Is there a street key back there? Doesn't look like.
He's going up there.
Huh?
He's going up here.
Oh.
See, guys.
Why did he?
This is the problem. They want to sit here and enforce every law in the book for us taking video or doing whatever we do, and they'll retaliate against the same way possible.
There's a copy machine right there. He had to go all the way up there with my papers.
But now, they're violating state law, and they won't even recognize that they're doing it.
Fuck the police. Fucking blue line, legal department. They're talking up there.
I don't have anything.
I don't care, man. I took a morning off. I'm losing money.
Oh, yeah.
It's because I had an assault in 2002.
This is about principle to me.
Oh, yeah, 100%.
My video, I don't even monetize. I don't get money from those either.
Yeah,
Yes, it's on me.
it's ridiculous.
At least it's not raining.
Yeah, right. It's been pissing rain all my house.
She's up there checking. She just popped her head up. We got a delivery. Moremos, we're in Moremos. Hello.
I hope she works here. Either that or she just got in.
She had a name thing here hanging. Oh boy, up the stairs.
What else would you need?
I thought he was gonna go up the stairs with the thing. Like, are you kidding me?
I know it's in April 2002. Yeah, I wrote that.
Sorry guys, we're just waiting and we'll be waiting a little bit.
My name and my date of birth.
He was just making copies.
Location of offense. It happened at.
You know, in the public records laws, they should
I don't
make
know
it to
the
where,
exact date.
you know how like some fast food or some like pizza places, if you don't get your pizza at this time or you know at a 30-minute wait or whatever, you get them for
They
free.
should be free.
Yeah, 100% it should be. If you don't get
These-
your public records by 2
They
days.
have the option to make an exchange, especially if it is about matters of public interest.
Oh yeah.
I did request for them to waive the fee.
Okay,
It's on both requests. But I'll pay, man, as I'm willing to lose money from work.
and the court order.
Oh my God, the damage was last night. It's like my ex-wife's last night.
Can you write me the address down?
Yeah, I know. I got both their names.
I bet you if anyone puts me in handcuffs, it's gonna be. Oh boy.
God damn, 24 minutes. Just I'm just sitting here.
Here we go.
What's that statute?
The Public Information Act, I think it's 5, it says on the requests. It's a government code. No, they have the request. They went to make a copy.
I work over there.
Oh, okay.
Came over here.
I think it's 512, but I'm not sure.
512.
I think it's 512 or 521. I'm not entirely sure, but it's called the Texas Public Information Act.
Thanks, guys. Y'all have a good day.
You too, thank you.
That's what happens when you sit like this all day.
He was friendly.
It was fun.
Now it's Alvarado's turn.
Okay. Is there a way I can get another incident report? Can I get another paper incident report?
Look at that.
Yes, because I'm gonna go home and look at.
Like a runway model.
I think I have the date.
He can go downstairs.
But for right now, I need that to start,
Says yes.
just to make sure.
How you doing?
Too much record.
You can walk down the stairs like a runway model. You could put a pile of books on top of his head, it wouldn't have fallen.
Oh yeah.
May I have my requests back, please? They were making copies. Can you please ask him for my... They went upstairs to make copies, even though there is a copy machine here. Could you maybe... Printers don't make copies? Okay. Could you check maybe all my documents? I got all day. Oh, okay. See, it was worth asking. He cannot walk down the stairs. Too much belly.
So this is your copies back. I made
Thank you.
copies and gave to them upstairs. So this is what they produced to me. And this is a response that was sent back to that email that you've got listed at
Okay.
the bottom of the page. It was sent back on 8/3/2022 at 10:54, and it was a clarification. They needed you to make some clarifications.
It was never sent to me.
Well, I'm just showing you that this is what they provided, and it was shown it was emailed to
Okay,
this.
that's the wrong email. After John Doe here, there is a TX. John Doe TX at Gmail. John Doe without the TX at Gmail. So you sent it to the wrong
So I
address.
see that. Okay, so I'll let them know that it should be a TX after
Okay.
the John Doe, okay? So what they did is, what is told, that they sent this until they can get clarification of
Vague
what they
and
were.
overly broad.
I have no part of this, I'm just passing the message, okay?
What
This is what they're requesting for clarification, and then once you get the clarifications back to them, they'll start working on your response. Okay, and then they'll be reaching out to you. So let me go tell them that it's a TX after that, okay? And you can have this copy.
if you could please send me
I am Sergeant Anthony Martin,
Okay.
Sergeant Anthony Martin.
428.
428.
All right, well, so how do you suggest I specify more accurately? Audio video from Deputy Vega body-worn camera during this stop, and there is the warning number related to the stop.
I can't give you
Beginning
advice.
5 minutes prior to the stop and ending 5 minutes after the end of the stop. That's pretty specific. Audio video footage from the same stop 5 minutes before, 5 minutes after, pretty specific. Audio trail for all video footage, pretty specific. Police report, audio of all radio chat involving this stop. So it specifies this stop. Deputy Vega supervisor name and rank, pretty specific. Deputy Vega disciplinary records, pretty specific, I would say. Deputy Vega salary, including overtime, benefits, and bonuses, pretty effing specific.
I don't have an argument with you, but I have no part of
All right,
what is going to
no.
be the response. I'm just here trying to help you out.
The response will be from,
It's our
The-
legal department.
no, the Attorney General office.
Well,
That's where I go complain. Thank you, appreciate it.
I'm just trying to help you out the best I can.
Yeah, I'm sure you are. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Thank y'all.
He's trying to help.
Yes, sir.
Trying to help. What do you guys think? Was it specific or not, my request? Is there a way of seeing messages? This is my first time live. Oh, there you go. Live chat. Ma, how do I see the? Is there a way of seeing the comments? Oh, there it is.
yeah, they're
coming
coming
in. All right. Internal affairs. That's what I need. You see, a guy called internal affairs. Okay, no more this, or I can't see shit. And okay, so that went like that, and I would say, because they refused, this is bullshit what they did. I will be, because basically they denied the request for being too broad
Yeah, but that
and
was-
being too vague.
And that was pretty damn specific.
Yeah, so I will be protesting in front of the sheriff office. I will go live again in, I don't know, maybe 15, 20 minutes after a break. Thank you guys for logging in, clicking in, whatever. All right, see you guys. How do I stop the ship?
Uh,
The little cross there?
yeah, one there.